Hello student, how are you? I hope you are fine. Yes. Okay, very good. Now please take out this alphabet book and also your 4 lines English notebook, okay? Take out both the books. Okay? And today we are going to solve this question. Okay? Take out this book. 4 lines notebook, okay? For English. Now we'll see the question. Write the small letters of the capital letters given below. So what we have to do? These are the capital letters A to J, and we have to write small a, small b in these columns. Okay? कैपिटल लेटर्स के हमें स्मॉल लेटर्स लिखने हैं यहाँ पे नीचे. यहाँ पे जो कॉलम दिया है ना वहाँ पे ऐसे टेबल ड्रॉ करो and write capital letters in one line and keep a space. यहाँ पे space रख के उसमें हमें small letters लिखना है. Okay? So first we will see the capital letters in this line. This is capital A. तो हमें क्या लिखना है? हमें small a. We have to write the small a. Okay? This is capital A and small a here. Okay? This is capital B, small b. Okay, like this you have to write. And remember to write small letters in 2 lines only. Okay, 1, 2. ये 2 lines में ही small letters लिखने हैं. And capital letters in 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is capital A, small a. This is small b. Now we'll write the small c. This is small c. This is capital D. So we have to write the small d. Like this. Okay. This is small d. This is capital E. Now we will write the small e. Like this. Okay. This is capital F. We have to write small f. ऐसे. Okay. This is capital G. We have to write small g. Okay, like this. This is capital H. Now we will write the small h. This is capital I. We will write here small I. ऐसे. Okay. This is capital J. Now we will write the small j. Okay, like this you have to write small letters here below the capital letters. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, got it? Very good. Now we'll see the next page. See, like this, draw the columns, write capital letters and small letters together. A, capital A, small a, capital B, small b, like this, till J, okay, on one page. And you have to rewrite this. This is class work, okay, and homework on next page one more time, okay. This is class work, that is you are doing with me. Okay. Now we will write A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jug. ओके, लाइक दिस यू हैव टू से एंड राइट, बोल के लिखना है. ओके, कैपिटल A, स्मॉल a, कैपिटल B, स्मॉल b, कैपिटल C, स्मॉल c, कैपिटल D, स्मॉल d, कैपिटल E, स्मॉल e, कैपिटल F, स्मॉल f, कैपिटल G, स्मॉल g, कैपिटल H, स्मॉल h, कैपिटल I, स्मॉल I, कैपिटल J, small j. Okay, like this you have to write. Okay student, complete this page. And this is classwork CW and homework you have to do on next page. दूसरे पेज पे HW लिख के 1 time homework करना है. Okay, this is also classwork and this is classwork. Homework HW 1 time. Okay, ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज, इसके पीछे वाले पेज पे करना है. ओके, बाय.